Good morning, I'm Marie. We're here at our Rochester sale. We have a few minutes until we let our VIPs in today at 9:45. We have some amazing items at this sale from world travelers and their amazing collection that has been collected over the years. Over here on our table, we have our African section. We have hand-carved items from Ghana, Zambia, Zimbabwe. We have some beautiful Egyptian artwork and stoneware. Beautiful African masks, African big five animals, hand carved. They're just some beautiful eclectic pieces. And then over here, we also have our Arabian theme. Who doesn't love a large camel? And some beautiful Oriental rosewood furniture throughout the house. A lot of stuff was handmade and custom ordered from Dubai. Some beautiful pieces of furniture upstairs, sofas, lounges, chases. Some great stuff in the sale. We have amazing rugs scattered throughout the house on all three levels. Just beautiful silk and wool tapestries. So elegant, so beautiful. And we're just so excited to start this sale today. And I would love to do a little ceremony, hit the gong, because we are ready to rock and roll with Aaron's estate sales.